Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. July 19, Wednesday, our market closed higher today up 13.11 points or up 0.20% to close at 6,541. Value turnover, value turnover is at 3 billion pesos. no? So there's nothing going on in the market right now. Yet even some investment houses, they're already cautiously optimistic. They're not very bullish on the market right now. But, yun nga, for next year, movement na. And most of the IPOs talagang, it looks like na talagang pang next year na. Some of the IPOs na delay or dinelay, push backwards were Ovia Land, no? Property developer yan. Who lacks the capital right now, wala talagang appetite for this market. Even Prime Infra, SM rate, no? With this kind of market, with interest rates going up sa US, uh, talagang there's some theme na market. So sabi nila, they're looking at infrastructure, digital economy, mga e-commerce, AI, fintech, of course, renewable energy, no, such as wind, solar, geothermal, no, and yung mga, of course, green metals, no, which is yung mga battery and EV. So yan yung mga sectoral themes ni First Metro. In their briefing also, no, they made several stock picks. No? The holding companies, mga top picks nila, SM, GTCAP, AEB, AC, LTG. No? Telcos, of course, ilan lang naman yung telcos sa market? Tatlo. Globe, Tel, Converge. No? Property, Ali, SM Prime, A-Rate, RCR. Sa consumers naman, JFC, Bloom, Wilcon, Monde, DNL. Power and energy, the top picks are no? Fortis Power, Meralco, ASEN. Sa mining, it's Nickel and Apex. Banking sector, it's Metrobank, BPI, BDO, UBP. No? Of course, there's a lot of risk in this kind of market. No? Of course, inflation is one of the main concern. Bakit ang pangit ang market? El Nino, no, could also affect our market right now. Of course, higher than expected Fed and BSP rate hikes. Of course, underwhelming GDP. Of course, the Russia-Ukraine war, geopolitical tensions, nandyan pa. Yesterday, Duterte visited Xi Jinping, China. Of course, Duterte, our ex-president, no? Wala na siyang official role in this administration. It looks like he's sending a message to this administration. Na even though he's not our sitting president, he has influence. No? Of course, if you know Xi Jinping, hindi siya nakikipag-meet basta-basta lang. So, the direction of this administration is really going to pro-US and anti-China. No? So, talagang this could send tension, no, between US and China, no, yung visit na to. Of course, deeper than expected global recession also could affect our market right now. And of course, the volatility in US exchange rate, US dollar exchange rate. So, what can I say here sa mga stock picks nila, no? Of course, this is by First Metro. Ang dami nilang binigay. It's up to you. No? Kung 10 ba naman stock picks mo, talagang tatama ka dyan. No? But anyway, good luck. No? So, I'm just sharing to you ano natutunan natin sa kanila. PLDT, by the way, no, got their provisional authority to construct landing sites in Baler and Davao. FYI lang. So UBP will also be launching ATM that disperses dollar. No? Of course, when they acquired Citibank, talagang they're integrating this feature. So, sa mga ATM na yun, magdi-disperse ka dollar, no? Pwede. Emperador, by the way, no, is also planning to expand its whiskey business in Scotland to meet the growing demand. Of course, we're monitoring Emperador as the FTSE and MSCI rebalancing announcement will happen in a couple of weeks, and we already discussed that. Ali is now close to 26 pesos. Remember few weeks before, sinabi ko, it's a chance to accumulate. No? It's near 24 pesos. Screaming buy na talaga yun, no? So, we're a walking cheat code. I hope you copied my trade idea there. Anyway, FGen, by the way, was fined 200,000 by the Philippine Electricity Market Corp, no, for breaching dispatch schedule. So, Manila Water also maintained its non-revenue water average at 13.35% in the first half of the year. So, there's nothing going on with the market right now. What else, no? Bloomberry, 11 something. Ang lakas. Grabe. So, yun pala yung 9 something yan na dip the few weeks before. Yun pala yung pullback nila. Anyway, no? TKC, no? Which was suspended for several months. Nalift rin kanina after submitting their requirements sa PSE. By the way, no? Speaking of telcos, Converge, which raised money sa bond offering nila of around 10 billion, naubos na nila. So, they use the money for capex, no? Capital expenditure. So, as a listed company, mas beneficial if they can raise money outside of equity. At least this will not dilute shareholders. ICT of Enrique Razon was also the declared winner, no, sa South Africa. No? It's one of the largest ports sa South Africa. Congratulations kay Enrique Razon. Mega World, by the way, is also building a two-level standalone convention in Cebu. No? So, Mega World is consolidating near 2 pesos. What else? Ayala Companies naman. No? ASEN, by the way, no? Forged historic partnership for renewable energy development in West Australia. So, yun. DG Plus, no? So, one of their product offering, yung Arena Plus, by the way, signed a partnership with FIBA. No? So, FIBA basketball fans, you can place your bet to Arena Plus. No? Yan, sports betting. So, they're not venturing also into bingo, but also in other products. So, we're very much excited to see anong transformation na mangyari dito sa company na to. Anyway, our passcode for today is Converge. Ubos yung bonds nila, grabe. No? After that Warburg Pico's exit, talaga nahulog na si Converge. Anyway, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye!